CIT is a P. Mahalakshmi 2021. Section 2, 14, Section 14, Class 3. Capital asset agriculture land. Land is situated 40 kilometers away from the municipality. Agricultural activities are carried out on land and there are standing banana crops as well as coconut trees. Approved by the Joint Commissioner, Directorate of Town and Country Planning. Directorate of Town and Country Planning. DTCP for conversion of land and for a non for conversion of land for non-agriculture purpose prior to execution of sale deed is not eligible to capital tax. Assessor sold a land to company claiming a same as exempt under section 2 class 14 on the ground that the same was agricultural land. Assessee held that on the date of the sale, through the ground that same was agricultural land. Yevo held that the land was sale held that the date of the sale, Assessee along with this co-owner sons obtained approval from the joint director of town and country planning for conversion of land into non-agriculture purpose prior to execution of sale deed. Therefore, land was so known that was no longer agricultural land purpose is not eligible for claiming section 45 of that. Section 45 of that. Commissioner deleted the addition. The appeal tribunal held that agriculture activities were carried out in India. There were standing banana crops as well as coconut trees, and land was situated 40 kilometers away from the municipality. Accordingly, affirmed order CIT and appeal by the Revenue High Court affirmed the order of tribunal. Even though it is agricultural land, when you convert a land from agriculture to non-agriculture purpose, that is, you got a permission from joint director, that is, joint director and directorate of town and country planning to convert the land from a regular to non-agricultural land, then you will be liable to capital gain. True. Section 45 exemption you can't avail. True.